Are you aware that the sofa in a karaoke room is never cleaned if it does not look dirty? As it seldom be cleaned, we suggested to use an auto-cleaning sofa, which mimics the skin of fast-swimming sharks. It is made of periodically arranged dermal denticles superimposed with triangular riblets. These features effectively control naturally occurring turbulent vortices, which leads to less momentum transfer and shear stress, and thus the hygiene of the karaoke room can be improved as the sofa can clean itself. Have you felt embarrassed when somebody came into your room while you were singing? Our team decided to add a conveyor for our dream karaoke room. The waiter would bring orders to the respective room. They placed the orders onto the belt of the conveyor outside the room. As the conveyor is pressed downwards due to gravitational force it experienced, the belt is deformed and there is a different electrical potential. Hence, the conveyor would bring the food to the room automatically. Moreover, in order to inform customers that their food has arrived, mechanochromic materials is installed in the room which turns the deformation of conveyor into energy for color change. We can be notified by this and are not disturbed. Most of our team members found that the room is very cold. Usually the temperature in karaoke rooms is low, regardless of the number of people inside the room. It does not only cause discomfort in people, but energy is also wasted by the aircon at the same time. A thermoelectric aircon is proposed to alleviate the problem. It cooperates with the electrorestrictive ground, which could produce electricity by stress. When people step on the floor, the pressure sensors under the floor could estimate the amount of people inside the room depending on the total weight received, and electricity is produced. A message is also sent to the aircon to adjust to a more comfortable temperature. Have you ever thought of generating electricity by your beautiful voice? We realized that energy used in karaoke room is not small, as the machines for singing aircon can cost a lot. Karaoke room is a good place to develop sound energy, as it has a typical tool, the microphones, to capture the vibration of sound, and it has a high probability to capture high decibel sound, since people might sing in hyper mode while singing popular songs. A thin layer of diaphragm would be placed inside the microphones when people sing. High-frequency sound waves would be produced and the diaphragm would oscillate quickly, which could cause variation of magnetic flux of the conductor, connecting the diaphragm and generate current and electric energy. Hence, the room will become self-efficient, as it is able to generate electricity within this usage. To conclude, there are many areas for a karaoke room to improve itself. We hope the previous strategies suggested are useful and can be applied one day. Both the customers and the workers can be benefited from these. And we will have our dream karaoke room to enjoy singing.